Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are good. Well, today is the birthday of Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah, 25 December. So today I will discuss on our national hero Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So that will start now. History is full of heroes. It is naturally for a man to love great men. It is also said that history is record of great men. Those great men determine the course of life. Their lives instigate us that we can also make our lives sublime. In our history, there have been heroes such as Khalid bin Walid, Tariq bin Ziyad, Muhammad bin Qasim, Babur Mahmud Ghaznavi, but my own hero in history is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I like him because he had all the qualities of a hero. Furthermore, he gave us Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born in Karachi on the 25th of December 1876. He received his early education for a local maktab. Later on, he joins a missionary high school's weather forms. He passed the entrance examinations in 1891. He was then only 15 years old. Next year, he went to England for higher education. He returned home in 1896 as a barrister at law. He settled at Bombay and started the practice of law. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's political career began in 1910 when he was elected from Bombay to the India Legislative Councils. In 1947, he got Pakistan and took over the runs of the new state. He died on 11 September 1948. His work for Pakistan is very great. First of all, he was the member of the Indian National Congress, but later on he joined the Muslim Leagues. For many years tried his utmost to establish a harmony and outlook between the Hindus and the Muslims. He tried to make them stand on one platform, but in vain. Soon he was converted that Hindu-Muslim unity was not possible. He devoted himself to the Muslim League. As a result, in the general election of 1937, Muslim Leagues won a large number of seats in the province assembly. In 1930, Allama Iqbal has explained the idea of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah took up his case and idea and gave it a practical shape. So the Pakistan relationship was passed. Pakistan revolutions was remarkable incident in this connections. Then the Second World War came with its destructions and ended. So the English had promoted to leave the country at the transmissions of Second World War. So that in March 1947, landlord Mountbatten was sent to India. On 14 August, the India was divided into two states. It was a great success for Jinnah. So the Quaid-e-Azam had a deep sense of responsibility, determination, and courage of conventions. He tracked utility problems successfully and labored hard for his mission. He had to convert our a place on the map of the world for the Muslim to live in. He had an ability, forceful respect for law. He had all form of social evils. So today we will discuss our national hero and Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Thank you so much for watching this video and
Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching us.